Today's ingredients. Hello guys. Welcome back to One Pan Kitchen. Today's menu is Tenshin-Han, fish cake omelette rice. This may be Chinese cuisine but Japanese style. Not important where it came from. Anyway, definitely my favorite, easy and tasty. Hanjuku sai ko death. Okay, let's get started. Going to cook my starch chicken sauce. Put chicken broth cube into hot water. One tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 coffee spoon of sesame oil. Starch water. Eggs. Shredded fish cake. My favorite is Hanjuku style, half cooked. You can cook more if you want hard style. Lovely, Toro-Toro. Are you ready? Enjoy, happy lunch. How was your day? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon, bye bye.